I've had 3 wonderful days of healing in the forest. I haven't showered for 3 days. I've been rolling in the dirt and lying on the earth and climbing trees. And walking barefoot on the earth and resting and surrendering and healing. I feel so much better today. I didn't sleep last night, of course. There were a gazillion stars. So I had Gustavo and Luna bring the mattress outside so that I could lie under the Milky Way in the middle of this gorgeous pine forest. And I just closed my eyes for the fun of opening them again. This. Being deep in nature will always do it for me. I feel back.